Alam mo ba na sa isang subdivision ay mayroong open space? By the way, I am Rose, a licensed real estate broker. Ang open space ay under PD 1216 na nagsasabing ito ay area na reserved exclusively for parks, playgrounds, recreational uses, schools, roads, places of worship, hospitals, health centers, barangay centers, and other similar facilities and amenities. Itong reserved areas ay tinatawag na non-alienable public lands and non-buildable. Non-alienable sa legal at government context, lalo na dito sa Pilipinas, ay pampublikong lupa na hindi pwedeng i-dispose ng gobyerno, hindi pwedeng applyan para sa titulo at hindi pwedeng ariin ng pribadong tao o kumpanya. Ilan pa sa mga halimbawa ng non-alienable ay tulad ng forest lands, national parks, watersheds, reserves, military reservations at lupaing ginagamit para sa public purposes like kalsada, ilog at dagat. With that again, I am Rose, a licensed real estate broker. Pwede niyo ako message for more tips and professional assistance. Malay mo, ikaw na maging next home buyer. Thank you!